What is STEAM? STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. Most people are more familiar with STEM education, but adding the A to create STEAM allows educators to incorporate the humanities, language arts, dance and drama, music, visual arts, and design into their lessons. The addition of the arts is also appealing to a broader and diverse group of learners. The STEAM approach to instruction involves teaching multiple content areas in an integrated way that resembles real life. Content areas like math and science, they don't exist in silos in the real world. Jobs often require workers to simultaneously apply multiple skill sets from complementary disciplines. STEAM's interdisciplinary lessons share certain characteristics that prepare students to accomplish these authentic tasks. Each lesson starts by selecting a topic that incorporates the 5 components of STEAM and connecting that topic to a real-world problem. This helps to eliminate students asking that age-old question, when am I ever going to use this stuff again? Once it's been determined what students will accomplish in the lesson, it's time to engage them in the engineering process by having them research the problem, propose and select a solution, and create a design which they will turn into a prototype to be tested. The results of this process are then presented by students in their findings, and if time allows, students will engage in a redesign process based on lessons learned. Sounds fun, right? Why is STEAM important? Because engaging students in hands-on, interdisciplinary activities that require them to collaborate and communicate while solving authentic problems through creative and critical thinking leads to improved student achievement. Additionally, STEAM prepares students for post-secondary studies as well as employment in high-demand jobs in a variety of STEAM-related fields.